All right, so we are going to build our Space Invader spaceship. To do this, you need the instructions, the ship body, the ship wing, a penny, and a piece of string. So on your instructions, it shows you step by step what to do, and it numbers it. So the first thing that you do is place the penny there. Then you fold these two tabs up into the slot. Then you fold this portion up and your wings up. Then you fold this part down and attach the wing to it. And then you tie on the string. So let's do that. So first step, take your penny, put it right there. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to take these tabs right here on the side and you're going to fold them up and tuck it into that slot there. Then you take this tab, do the same thing. Fold it up and tuck it into, having a hard time, let me try that again. Tuck it up into your slot. And if you need to, you can always pull on the tab to help you out. So you can see that your tabs are now sticking through the slot. And your penny now is being held in by those pieces of paper. Next, we're going to take this little piece here and simply fold it up. So you're going to fold that up. And I would, if you can, tuck it under the paper. If you can't, no big deal. But when it's all folded up, it looks like that on the end. So that the penny has a nice little holding spot right there. Now we're going to take these sections of the wings and we're going to fold those up. See this line right here? You're going to fold right along that line and crease it. So you crease it up so it looks like this. And then do the same thing on the other side. Take it, kind of fold it, so you get a nice crease. So now your wings are creased up. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take these sections here and we're going to fold them down. So when we're looking at it like this, these parts are going to be folded down like so. So once again, take this, fold it down like so. So now we've got the wings folded up, these tabs folded down, and now we're ready to attach our wing. So the way in which the wing lines up, if you're looking at your plane like this, your wings should be like this. And how it works is these notches here go into those notches. So you kind of slide those two together. And then do the same thing on the other side. Now your plane will have a little bit of a curve to it. That's okay. That's what you want. But you're going to slide these two parts together until you get a shape. And you can fold that over as well. That way it secures it. But once you've got it all folded and in place, it should kind of have a curved shape. Now we are ready to tie our string onto that hole. So grab your string You might need to give it a little extra love. Twist it a little bit so it's nice and tight. We're going to take that string and feed it up in through the hole. Doesn't really matter which side you feed it up and through. The key is you just want to get your string through. And then you're going to just tie a knot right there. Just a regular square knot is fine. So we've got our string now tied into that hole. And now your spaceship is all done. And what you're going to do, the instructions tell you, is you're going to spin it around and it should make a buzzing noise. And the faster you spin it, the different the noise will be. And I'm not going to demonstrate that here on camera. I'll let you do that. But you spin it around. You obviously want to spin it in the direction of your nose. So spin it like this. And it'll make a noise. And you've got your Space Invader spaceship.